Hey, Alicia.
Hey, Tatiana. I was wondering if you could help me with something.
Of course, but I won't help you fold.
No, of course not. But I heard the washer and dryer can be some of the costliest appliances in your home to use. Do you have any tips to save money in the laundry room?
I actually have 3 simple tips that can help you cut costs.
Okay, great. I'm ready.
Let's address the costliest issue, heating water. Instead, opt for the cold cycle.
Okay, so just by opting to wash my clothes in colder water, I can save money.
Exactly. Doing this one simple step can save you up to $40 a year. Plus, it's more gentler on your clothes and more sustainable.
Okay, I'm seeing my bill going down. What else should I do?
Another simple step that can help you save money is washing and drying fuller loads of laundry.
Okay, I know this one. Running fuller loads of laundry saves on water and maximizes energy efficiency.
Look at you becoming an expert. You can save more than 3,400 gallons of water by running fuller loads. And by upgrading to an energy efficient washing machine, you can save $35 a year.
Wow, that's great. So I get to help with the planet and save some money too.
That's right. Finally, let's talk about drying, which can increase our bills. To save money, you should wash at a higher speed to remove extra moisture from your clothes. Be sure to clean your lint filter regularly. And finally, dry at a low heat setting. This will save energy and money.
Okay, got it. Keeping an eye on the dryer means a lower bill.
Exactly. And if you want to take it a step further, just air dry your clothes. This can save you up to $95 a year.
Appreciate the tips, Tatiana. It's great to know that by simply changing my washing and drying habits, I can save on my bill. Thanks for joining us on 7 Saturdays to a more energy efficient home, and come back next week to learn how to save money in warmer weather. Are you sure you don't want to help me fold? Learn more at savingsactioncenter.com.